Dear students, welcome to our class on climate change, temperature, aerosols. Now, the global mean annual temperature has increased by zero point 0.6 degrees centigrade from 1901 to 2000 AD in 100 years. The increase in global mean annual temperature is 0.6 degrees centigrade. The temperatures may be increasing by 0.35 degrees centigrade per decade from the start of 21st century. 0.35 degrees centigrade per decade. Now, doubling in the concentration of CO2 leads to an increase of 4 degrees centigrade plus or minus 1 degree centigrade by 2001. Doubling of carbon dioxide. Now, another important point is allowing for cooling effects of aerosols. Cooling effects of aerosols, doubling CO2 levels increase the temperature by 3 degrees centigrade. That's why 4 degrees centigrade plus or minus 1 degree centigrade by 2100. In addition to that, another most important point here is increase in air temperature will vary according to the likely prevalent scenario, which include factors like first one, population density; second one, rate of economic growth of that particular region; third one, the ratio of use of fossil and non-fossil energy resources or sources. Now, so these are the three factors. However, relative to 2000, the rises in temperature by 2100, that means in 100 years from 2000, is projected by IPCC, Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC. It is the most pessimistic 4 degrees centigrade, most optimistic 2 degrees centigrade, of course, business as usual, what we call it as in the general terms, and medium emissions of 2.5 degrees centigrade from 2000 to from 2000 to 2100. This is the likely scenarios as far as Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is concerned. Now, here another very interesting feature is that the rise in minimum temperature, will be more than that of the maximum temperature, leading to a steady decrease in the daily temperature range over the years. Say for example, maximum temperature in a day is 30 degrees centigrade, minimum temperature is 28. In the tropical region, it is certainly a rainy day. 30 maximum, 28. That means there is no rain. However, the crops will grow very efficiently when at least 8 to 9 or maximum 10 degrees centigrade range is there in a day, particularly during the flowering and anthesis stages of most of the tropical crops. This is one of the research findings. Now, so let us talk about the aerosol. What is an aerosol? Aerosols are in a gas, in the atmosphere, gaseous form, either solids or liquids, or sometimes in certain Western books you will find together solid and liquid particles together present in the atmosphere are known as aerosols. Now, so aerosols are two types: naturally occurring aerosols, anthropogenic, human induced. Naturally occur are fog, smog, you can say volcanic eruptions, water. These are all the natural occurring. But anthropogenic are forest fires, of course, induced by human beings sometimes, and fossil fuel burning, hydrofluorocarbon, perfluoro, whatnot, everything is there, and industrial emissions. So these are all the anthropogenic. Here, aerosols play an important role as far as climate change is concerned. How? Just only 2 points I would like to share with you. One, aerosols may cause, please underline, aerosols may cause a decrease in the temperature, by direct scattering and reflecting away from some of the incoming solar radiation. Second important point is aerosols may also cause decrease in air temperature indirectly under cloudy conditions by increasing the reflection of clouds and thus to some extent offset the greenhouse effect global warming. And finally, chloride, natural sulfate, sea spray, black carbon, that's what we call it the soot, okay, are some of the most important aerosols on which we, the agrometeorologist, must and should concentrate. Thanking you very much.